水滴石穿
Dripping water wears through stone. It's an ancient Chinese saying, but it's not just about water or rocks. It's about patience. It's about persistence. Small, consistent efforts, over time, create lasting change. It's the 5 minutes of meditation each morning. The small kindness offered without expectation. If you write just one paragraph a day, you finish a book. If you practice one skill, just a little, you master it. So, how do you wear through your own stone? First, start small. Don't overwhelm yourself with the whole mountain. Just focus on the next drop. Second, be consistent. Let your actions fall like water, steady, gentle, stopping. Third, trust the process. You may not see the groove in the stone today or tomorrow, but one day, you'll look back and see how far the water has carved. Remember, the stone doesn't resist the drop. It simply yields over time. So keep dripping, keep flowing, and let time do the rest. Let us read it.
水
Water. Third tone falling rising, starts low, dips down, then rises up.
水滴
To drip. First tone high flat stays high and steady.
滴石
Rock or stone. Second tone rising starts medium and rises to high.
石穿
To penetrate. First tone high flat stays high and steady.
穿
Let us see how they are written.
水
Water. It is both a basic character and a primary radical.
滴
To drip. It starts with the 3-dot water radical, followed by the sound component.
商 石
Stone. The character itself is a radical. It originated from the concept of a rock under a cliff.
穿
To pierce. It starts with the radical
穴
at the top, followed by the
牙
tooth character at the bottom.
水滴石穿
Water drops, stone pierces.